Hello students, hope all of you are fit and fine. So let's start today's class. First all of you draw this bird. Pause the video and draw this bird. Then take any shading pencil and start shading it like this. See, I'm taking 10B here. You also better take 10B and start shading it like this. See, this type of lines you will make through the shading. See, like this. And be very careful, you cannot erase your shadings, it will look bad then. After completing this part, come to this part, this upper part. Almost in same motion you will shade like this. Be careful with the edges like this. See, same method and complete this part like this. See, now this side do very light shading. Okay, very light shading. See, I'm blending it with my fingers. See, and this line, over this line you will shade, means no line should be visible. Okay, you will keep on shading over this line like this. After completing this, it should look like this. Now this lower part, starting from the bottom, you will shade it upward like this. See, and the edges will be uneven. Okay, like this. See, you will make layers of shading and blend it all together like this. See this. After completing, come to the tail and shade the tail like this in this motion. See, then complete the eye and the beak like this. See, now come to the feet. There is nothing much to do with the feet. Completing the two, come to the twig like this and complete the twig like this. See, after completing, it is looking like this. Hope you children enjoyed this class and try it out at home. Thank you for watching.